Hi, we're Uberbike Components and welcome to part 1 of our tubeless conversion setup guide. So in this video we'll give you an overview of our Race Matrix tubeless rim tapes and Airtech tubeless valves, showing you how to install them onto your wheels. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. We offer our Race Matrix tubeless rim tapes in 4 popular width options: 22, 26, 30 and 35mm. This tape's easy to apply and creates an airtight seal with strong adhesion to the rim, which doesn't leave any sticky residue when you come to remove it. The reduced thickness of this tape allows it to better contour into the rim's profile without creasing, and its low friction surface finish helps the tyre beads to pop into place easier without the tyre dragging against it and causing the rim tape to pucker up, which can cause air leaks. The Race Matrix tubeless rim tape comes supplied in a 10-metre roll, which is enough for 4 29-inch wheels. Match the tape width with the internal width of your rim, using an X-size rim tape up if you are unable to find the exact match. It's important that the rim's surface is clean and dry in order for the tape to achieve a good strong bond. We'll be using our disc brake cleaner and a clean cloth for this. Once dry, you can then start applying the tape, placing the first part of the tape between the first and second spokes next to the valve hole, going over and covering the valve hole first before working around the rest of the rim. The tubeless tape needs to be applied tight and evenly, pressing firmly into the rim bed, working out any air bubbles and creases as you go along. Taking time now will ensure you get the best results and an airtight seal. Finish the tape off by overlapping it by around 10 cm and trim off neatly with a pair of scissors. Next, find the valve hole in the rim, make a small hole in the tubeless tape with a sharp pointy object, and now it's ready for the valve. The Uberbike Airtech valves are machined from a solid aluminium bar rather than a hollow bar, making them much stronger than a standard aluminium valve. The valves use a high flow air passageway with a T-shaped 3-way valve base, so you don't see any reduction of airflow or blockages when using tyre sealant or tyre inserts, which typically obstruct standard valve designs. Thanks to its removable valve core, by using the integrated valve cap you can quickly and easily fill or top up your tyres with sealant without having to remove the tyres from the rim bead. We use an increased thickness O-ring which can adapt to various rim contours and to prevent the nut from catching and marking the rim's surface when tightening. On the base of the valve we use a double tapered round rubber seal which allows the valve to sit deeper into the rim, creating a better airtight seal. To fit the valve, remove the cap, nut and O-ring and push the valve through the hole in the rim tape. Reinstall the O-ring and push down on the valve to seat it into the rim bed, then tighten the nut to secure. If the valve spins when you're trying to tighten, you can hold the valve base with a 10mm spanner. Now we're ready to install both the tyre and tyre sealant, which you'll be able to see in our next video. If you have any questions then please leave them in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.